What's good, people? I'm the Max, and there is a topic that I wanted to discuss for quite a while, but I wasn't sure if I was just imagining it or it was a real issue. And recently, I was completely vindicated. See, TMS Productions, a YouTube channel here on YouTube, they hosted a new editing challenge a few weeks ago, which I got peer pressured into participating. I wasn't going to this time, but I did, and I will do the breakdown of my edit like I did last time in a couple of days, so stay tuned for that. Assault that subscribe button, do all the things. But anyway, that's not what this video is about. This video is about a music choice problem that a lot of the creators are facing, even if they don't know that. For example, if you're a creator and you're hearing me say this right now, you might be thinking, I don't think I have a music selection problem. There's plenty of music on an Epidemic sound or whatever platform of my choice, and I can just go there and select a song, and my music choice is done. So there's no problem at all. But that's not what I mean. You see, Epidemic sound specifically was the requirement for music in the TMS Editing Challenge Volume 2. You had to use Epidemic sound. And the problem I personally have with Epidemic sound is it's basically the definition of quantity over quality. Let me explain. So the song I chose, it was this one. Wait. Did you hear that? Hold on. I can't be the only one hearing that, right? That's the Star Wars theme. Anyway, that was a tangent. So I heard this song after 2 days of looking for the song, and I thought, this could work. This could work. I sure hope nobody else picks the song because there's like 30,000 songs on Epidemic. That would be a shame if somebody else picked this song. Well, 35 other people picked this song. Here are all of them. All of these people picked the same song out of 30,000. You see, when it comes to Epidemic sound, I call it the AliExpress of music. There's lots and lots of everything, but there's like 3 things that are actually good, and those would be the things that everybody picks just naturally. And you end up with a situation where the exact same song is used by Corridor, Peter McKinnon, every other photography-related YouTuber that I watched. I think I used it at some point. I am so sick of hearing this song. Please just stop using it. But it's funny because if you go through enough of Epidemic selection, you start seeing the pattern. You start seeing the quantity over quality in effect. For example, this song right here, Dead of the Night by Hallmore. Let's play it. It's a nice little dance song. You could see using it for like a party video or something like that. But if you're into dance music as much as I am, then you instantly recognize the style this person was going for, which is a 2016-2017 Cashmere style. Something like this. I can't play the full song because Spinning Records will bend me over this table and do some demonetizable things with me, but I'll put the name of the song over here. You can look it up. You can listen to it, and you can listen to the other one, and you can clearly tell that this was the exact style this person was trying to replicate, while lacking the production experience of Cashmere to pull it off. And it's kind of the theme with a lot of songs on Epidemic. They are the bare minimum basic acceptable versions of what the song could be, and the 4 songs that are not are the ones that everybody ends up using at the end of the day. Wow, Max, you just made sure that Epidemic never sponsors you if your channel ends up getting big. Yes, I know, I still had to talk about this. And at this point, you might be thinking, well, okay, Mr. Rant, do you have any actual solutions to this problem you just invented? Yes, I do, and it's, as with most things, diversification. Don't just stick to one platform, whether that is Epidemic Sound or MusicBed or Artlist or Soundstripe. There's really good songs on all of them, some more than others, but there are good songs on all of them. And I encourage you, when you're working on a new project, to not just go to one of them to look for music, but go to all of them to look for music. Maybe try something unorthodox, try Audio Jungle, that's still a thing. And it's actually, it's funny, if you're making like 1 video per month, and you're paying a $20 per month subscription fee on one of these licensing services, a single song on Audio Jungle will run you about 20 bucks. And I guarantee you, not a single YouTuber will have used that song because all of them are using Epidemic. But yeah, there's a lot of these platforms out there, and I encourage you to use as many of them as possible because at the end of the day, you should not let your creativity be defined by what one or the other platform has to offer in terms of music. Because quite often, music is what you start your project with. So if you're limiting yourself at that stage, then the rest of your creative vision is limited just naturally. Anyway, I'm not good at talking to the camera. I hope I made my point clear, and I hope you don't limit yourself to one or the other music platform, even if you hear your favorite YouTuber talk about it all the time. Because the truth is, there's a lot of great music in a lot of great places, you just need to know where to look. In any case, I hope I made myself clear. I hope you learned something today. I will see you in a few days when I do the TMS edit breakdown. The last one got quite a bit of attention, and I've had people reach out to me and say thank you. This helped me understand how the commercial flows and some editing tricks, and I'm really happy to hear that. So I'm gonna do that again. Hopefully it helps more people to edit whatever project they're working on. But in any case, that's the end of the video, and I really need to come up with a catchy outro.